CJ Milan, you and your corrupted self need to go get your blood clot toys and go play with it. You need.
A few moments later.
You say when you see slip and slide, bitch, you never know say your pussy that go slip and slide. You never know you go slip and slide. You never realize say Alkaline did a better job than him.
Brother, what's that?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Nappy, when you come out here cry, me see one big man in the fire cry. Cartel, imagine, the man in my watch shoe store, the man in my watch.
Dancehall. When you look pan the lady, when you know her face, CJ Milan.
One eternity later.
One Kevin, the one you feel. And I real life this youth. You see the video where you do about CJ Milan, one Kevin, take it down.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, man. You know, so me I notice a little thing. When you just listen to Alkaline song them, I don't know hear where Alkaline are deal with.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, how the latest news them lock.
Don't know how one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah, man, you know what things said. You see it. So people, you don't know about a thing I go on in media. You see me? But you don't know, I make Ras tell you what I go on. You see it? No, don't know. Yo, I have to big up the people that want support Media Fox. You understand? Respect for you watch my video them every day. You understand? I know say I'm having a difficult time and we did it and take Media Fox and you know, just to take on mind off a certain situation. But me have to big up for the support for you watch the video them. You see me? Yeah man, I fully touch. You know what things said already. Yeah man, one Media Fox pan up. You see, so I could go in a video people, you know what things said.
Suck your mother Gaza. Drench her road deeply. So I say, me know say it don't come a time when time when the blood clot kingdom did not fall, you know. Yeah. Gaza kingdom crumble. Yeah. Because you know the most bad mind blood clot people are not talking about people bad mind. When you set up Beanie Man, when you set up my father, when you set up Alkaline, when you set up Massacre, when you do all kind of thing. If you try Crown Cartel, when he didn't get the crown couldn't even fit him. Mad Sophia turn up on stage, he back stone and back laugh for him. You see what I say? And now that one dango come out, come expose some of what Serpy did I say all this time. When you come out and cry. When you come out and cry because it's alleged that see them a breed and people say, I know must cartel breed, see them. You see what I say? You not cry now. Eh? Before you try apply to get the job for wipe the baby body and change the baby nappy. When you come out here and cry, you see one big man in the fire cry, cartel, imagine, the man in my watch shoe store.
Yo, dog, yo. Yo, people, internet nice. Yo, we can't bother, dog. Yo, we can't bother with the vlogging, brother. Too much, brother. My pressure go raise. Jah know that. The man them take the Gaza thing and yo, for a mockery, dog. Yo, brother. Yeah, if I'm a Gaza fan, then I just not say nothing, you know. Me I tell you, bro. Yo, some people there out there for us troll, you know, wicked.
Take on a blood clot, you know. There'll be a matter of time before on the flop. On a blood clot, you know. I don't think gonna start the kingdom just a blood clot crumble the right way. By now in 2028, 30, there'll be no more bombo clot Gaza Empire. Watch and see.
So J Progress, I gotta tell you why I go on.
That's all. When you look pan the lady, when you know her face, CJ Milan. The woman will bring Vibes Cartel in the Barclay Center. Where the Gaza them boast and everything. That woman here, today, have you lick out on the Gaza fans them. You know see why me hate the dog shit them? You know see why me not like Gaza fans? You know see why me beat them so much? As long as it's a woman, them jump on them and bully them. CJ Milan will make Vice Cartel make how much money? Not even Joe Bogdanovich no make Vice Cartel make that the amount of money there. And now, here we are today. Live to come here, the dirty thinking Gaza fans, them at this CJ Milan.
A long time them a do this, you know. A long time, you know. You see me from Alkaline, I do the show. The man them say CJ Milan gonna work with Alkaline and a bag of thing. Them at this when I think somebody from the team did say something about Alkaline have the biggest show for one day. The man them start this up CJ Milan and everything. You understand? But I guess she kind of realize how the Gaza stay already. To be honest, people, the Gaza is just them type of people. I know everybody of them, I know everyone at Gaza from them stay. So you just have the one them with just the mentality, the lack of knowledge. Yeah, man. Them one the people. It's like them not have much to do. You understand? Them not really have much to do, people. So it's like, me did know, you know, them are gonna do all of this with CJ, you know. But, you know, I think CJ Milan did call over Massacre, one of Massacre vlogger live, and I say something and bag of thing and way. You understand? And them ear and disrespect. You know, to be honest, people, if I them alone that culture, you know, really reach nowhere. Them don't want to see other artists do greatness. You understand? So that's why you see them forward out and just bring down artists and bring down people who work with the artists, all of these things. You understand? I just say Gaza that. Like, once you now work with Vice Cartel, it's like, you know, it's a disrespect. You see me? I just one of them things. Only when you do something for Vice Cartel, they will respect you. But once you not do it, and you maybe do it for somebody else, or do it for somebody where them and Cartel no link, yeah, man, them go disrespect. The guys are not really partial, none. Them not really care. Me telling already. All what the artists say, my Vice Cartel endorse, them no, guys are not care about them. A Vice Cartel them care about. That's one of the thing. So anybody flip up or just say something, a straight disrespect. I saw them stay.
When your Vice Cartel come out, come say nothing, I see a thing them do with Bounty Killer. See Vice Cartel sit down there, they won't even look at it. No control them little loose, dirty thinking Gaza fans. That's why I don't like them. That's why I'm gonna beat them till God come. CJ Milan. Oh, you sit down as Vice Cartel. And listen, some little dibby dabba. Clown about them out here represent you. And this CJ Milan. And you're not even put out a statement. The last time when Nuffy and the rest of them come out, come this case Nancy. You come out, come say something though. Why you couldn't come say something now? You never say nothing when them are this Bounty Killer. And no, you never say nothing when them are this CJ Milan.
No. I know Kiznam they make Vice Cartel forward out. Is the because of the Grammy thing. And when Nuffy start disrespect Grammy. You understand? And that's when him forward out. It's not Kiznamdi. You understand? If I did Kiznamdi, he wouldn't forward out. It's Grammy. You understand? Grammy. That's why I'm forward out. Look how much other artists, the fans them this up and people this up. Vice Cartel never yet put out that yet. I chose Grammy. Make him do that. I know Kiznamdi. You understand? Because remember after all of that in a way, people is still do it. So I know Kiznamdi, J Progress, Grammy. To nothing that say, yo, Grammy, why if you do that? What kind of shit with that? Ray. Man spent 13 years in prison. A bag of thing.
And they come make you make how much money in a Barclays Center and lift up your thing after prison. You see how life go. Me telling you, you know. So what happen now? So what happen? You see CJ Milan no good again Vice Cartel. You see me I show no? So let me tell you something right now. I remember when you hear this from J Progress. You see, after Vice Cartel and Mavado do them two of them, remember me tell you say Vice Cartel and Mavado go fall out again. Who do you think I go make them fall out? You think it's going to be because of Mavado and Vice Cartel make them fall out and the dirty thinking Gaza fans them? I tell you no. 3/4 of the people them who don't like Vice Cartel today is because of the Gaza fans them. Vice Cartel now say nothing. I know Bounty Killer and Vice Cartel fall out, you know. And the Gaza fans them this Bounty Killer and send Bounty Killer up and their mother. Who don't think me have to get that one Kevin tell Bounty Killer because suck out him dead mother? Who don't know that this disrespectful that is? And Vice Cartel no come and see a word as a man with same rate. And then you guy man party go beat him up. And you sit down as a man to say you run Gaza and listen to some little clown about them represent you. I tell the man to go suck out him dead mother. And you Vice Cartel know how Bounty Killer feel about him mother. Although she pass on God. See if you know CJ Milan. So little waste man you have this right now. And you don't see a word. You don't put out one post for your story and say, listen, lift up Papa CJ Milan. We don't know the thing going in the Gaza nation. Nothing.
Nah, I'm not sure. I'm gonna do that. You see me? At them, you know. Remember when Vice Cartel fall from prison, right? And I think them ask him the question. Although we know, but them ask him the question and him say, yo, are the media create that? You understand? When Alkaline just forward out. So, you know, I don't know, some of my Gaza fans just make Vice Cartel just look you know, the bad energy towards Vice Cartel. Him. You understand? I just them make it bad. You see me? I just that. Cause something where them talk, it don't even make no sense. You see me?
Member J Progress tell you, Vice Cartel and Mavado are going to fall out again. Me tell you what you know. Say the Gulf side fans them don't trust Gaza. Don't worry about who you see Mavado and Vice Cartel a link. That are Mavado and Vice Cartel. But the Gulf side fans them not trust nothing named Gaza. Remember when me tell you that. Them never trust Vice Cartel. Gulf side fans don't trust Vice Cartel. Because see there now? CJ Milan. Jaja know.
People, you know what things it's Evie there with J Progress attack and yo, man, I tell you now, people, it's in a life. You see how them money found out and just disrespect people, so bro, and carry some narrative, brother. If you know, say yo, for them artists that work with the CJ Milan and the way how the man them disrespect woman, me G, it show me them, brother. I tell you that man disrespect the woman in a realest way, dog. I tell you, bro. Yeah, man. And at them money, Vice Cartel saying lion and all of them look thing there. You see it? But as me say, just look and watch what I go on.
DJ Milan, you and your corrupted self need to go get your blood clot toys and go play with it. You need to go plug in your blood clot toys. Yes, you need to go play with your pussy. You need to go plug in your bumper ass clot rose and go play with your rose. What you mean Gaza nation need to unite? Unite with who? Unite for what? You did see when Bumbaclaw 2 years ago, when Cartel forget Crown, King of Dancehall, all them look at dog shit here, Joshy and Bumbaclaw massacre disrespect the man. You did see it? What fuck you mean by we need to unite and we are fight massacre? We are massacre and a friend. We not fight massacre. Massacre fight himself. We was the one that was supporting massacre. And I'm going to show you that at Barclays Center. We are going to use Barclays Center to show you. Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. So if you think that I'm ready, why y'all look at we and think that we can't make the show flop? We can't make the show flop. The show is just going to be flop. I know we are making flop. The artist is a flop artist. The fucking artist himself flop. You say when you see slip and slide, bitch, you never know say your pussy never slip and slide. You never know you.
Yo, I'm gonna tell you one thing, people. Yo, I'm telling you already. You see, them money, we you see, represent the Gaza some of the time. Bro, them money are some sissy dog. You saw them money are trace on the internet. Yeah, man. Me tell you, say them money I love man, them not love music. That's why them react so. Them have a very emotional discontrol self. You understand? The man them can't control them emotions, me G. Remember me tell you. And when you check that genes there under what they call that cells there is a woman thing that me G. When you can't control your emotions, dog. As a G. Yeah, man. Brother, you mad out here trace with a woman, dog. A trace a woman, me G. For tell you, me G.
Super slide. You never realize that Alkaline did a better job than him. And Alkaline too show them. After Barclays, you know, say you can't see them. So you headline Barclays Center with Massacre. What songs Massacre have? Where Brooklyn people know. Beanie Man, let me tell you, let me bring you to this. Beanie Man went to fucking the UBS Arena. Beanie Man couldn't sell ticket. Beanie Man dropping ticket price from $300 to Bumbaclaw $99. Even in the bungle deal. That's Beanie Man, the best dancer we have coming out of Jamaica. And was king of dancehall. So when Massacre come by, how the fuck you think say Massacre never do it? Oh. Massacre is not the big thing out here. He's not the biggest thing out here. He's not. Uno overrate him. Uno, CJ Miller, we don't know shit. I overrate him. What show you have that came out better than Vibes Cartel show? What show? Name it. May I wait? None. None. You do not have one show that came out better than Cartel show them. 3 show you keep with Cartel. All 3 show sold the fuck out. You are gonna come like you come attack the Gaza nation, wrong somebody, wrong blood clot group of people, wrong sick fucking head people. You are trying to go at somebody else, but not the Gaza nation. And you can't tell we if you come together with nobody. Go plug your rose in and go play with your pussy.
Yo, people. Yo, man, I tell you. No one hear nothing else, you know. These are the Gaza fans. Well, some of them, but me I tell you the way of them. Yo, that day going to forward, you know. Remember say me the Fox tell you, yeah? Boy, me I tell you about. You don't know. Yeah, man.
TikTok, I want to tell you something really, real serious right now. One Kevin, the one you feel, and I really like this youth. You see the video where you do about CJ Milan, one Kevin, take it down. When you hear me come out of TikTok and I tell one Kevin this, one Kevin, the video that you do about CJ Milan, disrespecting her, one Kevin, take it down, youth.
Yo, and you see that youth our name Kevin, him not listening, you know. And I'ma tell you see that youth yeah? I tell you him stay people. Everybody have a right, them can talk about anybody on the media, right? But this youth, him take people picture and put up, right people? But tell me what him do. The youth build up some story. Like, people listen to them thing and them think a real thing. Me see man bring up our story with the vlogger. You don't know Malidan, data. See? Say Malidan they are jail. For some, the man sitting there with dog, lay down with dog and all of them things. You see that youth there? When him one Kevin, he might go put himself in a trouble, bro. Nothing wrong if you forward in the media and address certain things. But you see when you have put some allegations, the man have put some serious thing in the people. Some lie where man are telling you know. You understand? And I just read people in the two, pay him the mind. Cause me know one the youth name Owen or something like so. Forward out and I tell be a lie on CJ Milan. You understand? Be a lie when Alkaline did the show. And him did have to take down the video. You understand? Me don't know what wrong with them Gaza man, ya dog. Them just make the thing look bad for that. I tell them already, you know, a them go carry down them own artists, you know. I tell you, you know. You understand? And them. You see me, you have some good one, you have good Gaza fans who don't care about what go on the media and the bring down thing. Them rate Vice Cartel and them love dancehall music. But you have the one them who don't care about the music. Them just there, just to bring down people and disrespect people and send threat. You understand? At them one them in a rate because them not really care about the culture. You see me, them more for demolish the culture. You see it? Yeah, man.
It not worth it, one Kevin. Cause one Kevin, if you know when me know, one Kevin, he is a blogger youth. And to where, if you know when me know, and what reach me, I reach you. One Kevin, take down the video that you do about CJ Milan. Can't say J Progress no want you. Me tell you all the while, say he's not a regular blogger, but sometimes when you don't take the warning, one Kevin, this is a warning to you. If you know where J Progress know, one Kevin, take down the video where you do about CJ Milan. Me don't talk. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you don't know Governor Beachy. You see me? Yeah, man, big up the general. You don't know, that way.
You know, so me I notice a little thing. When you just listen to Alkaline song then, I don't know hear where Alkaline are dealing with. You see at the end, the album, when you just listen to the song then, and listen to the words, I want to listen to Alkaline words, how we put them on the rhythm. Because Alkaline has studied music, you know, like keys, bars, and instrument. He probably play an instrument. I tell you, he probably learned to play the keyboard. To how him deal with the melody them, or Alkaline deal with the melody and the rhythm. You can see that he must study music different. A whole artist just they don't really study music. Because they just you give them a rhythm, yes. And find the cadence of the rhythm and find two lyrics. But then they really study music like they not study how to play guitar, keyboard, no instrument, you know?
Yeah, man, Alkaline. From the get-go of Alkaline first interview, man, the man I say, yo, him not depend no look easy digestive. You know? Music and them look thing. There's something him come for change the game. You see me? Shake off a place. You see it? And that's why, you see, that's why them have this narrative, Alkaline fall off from 2016. Because look here now. You see, in a new dancehall world, look at trend we are going, Alkaline not in that. So Trim not in that now, they must say, yo, Alkaline fall off in 2016. But look here now. You see that little trend thing there where the dancehall thing, it not survive for long. But you see what Alkaline I do? At 10, 20, 30 years. You understand? At them thing them a play with the music. Imagine all girl good song. What do you think? That song they go forever play. You understand? For the girls them love that. You see me? All who band, they love that. Me I tell you, that song they go forever play. I anthem that. You see me? So I saw Alkaline pre-music. Remember one time when a beer chopping song and scamming and all of them little thing there. Song a mash up the place. I say Alkaline go do a song when name Lone Madness. Seeing? You know what man a sing about? The man a sing about things we are going like reality. Man a get shoot up and all of them thing there. I say yo, be a juvenile, them not stop knock it. You understand? Bag of police and every little thing. The youth a talk about reality we are going. Them time they are be a chopping song a going. You understand? The youth smart, the youth not in that bubble there. And that's why them a say, yo, him fall off, yo, we sang this and that. Enough of them still not have a song and the energized song where Alkaline have. Them just have some song where them just put out boom boom bam re. That's it. Nothing really dead. You understand? I just saw it go. You see me? Cause right now, people, to place a dance all go right now, the youth them have to go just change up them thing. You see me? Them have to go cause them are just in one little circle and you know? Yeah. Too much dancehall artists we see a drop off a grid. You see it? Enough of them a drop off a grid right now. Them not even in the conversation. You see me? Yeah man, so we need to pre the music a different way right now. You see it? Yeah man.
Alkaline I learned to play something. Yes, Alkaline I learned to play something. We tell them something. And one thing again. When you listen with Alkaline, I said. You say Alkaline saying raise the bar. Him raise the bar. You see from what your people are talking. Alkaline performance are number one. Alkaline is a perform so when he just come out now. He is so excited and run up and down and remember so Alkaline is have gal a dagger up on stage and the gal a pull down all in pants. But you what? You see find himself find the formula. Him not do them thing there again. Him not wind up and down gal I not do them thing there again. Him become a superstar. Where you all can touch him on stage. You see me I say I must him give that access there. I tell you, I must Alkaline get the access there. If any Alkaline say raise the bar, I sure I'm going to show you some performance. He might put it to a higher level. Some boy have to go fight hard to outperform Alkaline. This year and every year to come, Alkaline have the formula for performance. Long time, but Alkaline they work on in superstardom. Believe you me man. Because that man work for the universe and the very universe work with him now. So, them man then drink them soup on it hot. I tell you, a whole parties have got fight this year. They outperform Alkaline but no stage show. Right now the people who are Alkaline more would, hey yo, Bridget, the man in a high demands. I tell you, that artist not perform like Alkaline. Alkaline performing song them and perform out in song them.
And that's one of the things I say Alkaline always. The youth perform out him sang them. Like, yo, him always do that. Even the La 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 song. You have to go way down in a song second verse for catch a line there, you know. The youth, you say the youth, imagine if the youth if him never performed that, go to the end in our Barclays Center. Or maybe wouldn't get that trend there with the La 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 thing. You understand? But the youth always perform out him songs. You see me? Him always do that. You see it, and that is a good thing. People learn song them way there.
And I like some little artists where as them talk, half of the bar, half of the verse, they say dash. Because you they don't remember the song. All of the song I play, and them I sing Panther Pipe. They don't remember the song same way. Alkaline master that. Alkaline master that. You see a lot of people that say, oh, the music I play Alkaline I sing pan it. No, fool. When I hear that, it's a thing called TV track. The song I play, yes, but you have party, the engineer or the DJ can just play a spear rhythm. Alkaline already has sing on the track already, with the track, we are play. You understand me? A lot of time I hear Alkaline a DJ. Nothing not playing in the background. I just read him on him. The engineer know when to bring in the background singing. This is just a TV track. And people like that on stage show more than bands. Bands is a reggae show. If you don't understand music, bands is for reggae show. You see the show that we are going on now. You have to use.
Yeah, man. Team like Reggae Sunfest, Reggae Land. The only show I'm saying to do the bands thing at yeah, Reggae Fest. Yeah. I'm not to see them use bands like that. You see me? But no, Reggae Land use bands. Reggae Sunfest use bands. You understand? Yeah. I just saw reggae things there, is it?
TV track. Play the song I play low and you sing on top of it. And that the people want. That keep the vibes of the music. You know? Bands of a reggae show. You know? But me I telling you, say Alkaline, I beat them bad this year. I tell you, say man, say he raised the bar. Boom, the bar raised. We're not gonna fight hard. We beat the Vendetta boss. I tell you, the bar raised. Go on a beat the type without a doubt. Vendetta, you hear?
Yeah, man, people. You don't know one media facts pan up, you know. Yeah, man, you know what things say. Just big up on yourself. You don't know. Yeah, man. A mad thing. That is it.